Cambrian Mountains is a large geographical area in the centre of Wales. It actually is defined by the landscape character assessment map that has been produced by CCW. In terms of the communities around the Cambrian Mountains, we speak of a necklace of towns which are outside of the drawn line on a map, but obviously are influenced by and influence the agriculture and the economics of the Cambrian Mountains. In terms of the Cambrian Mountains Initiative, it was set up in 2006-2007. It grew out of a failed lottery application to the Living Landscape bid, but the idea of working across the local authority boundaries was a positive one, and when Prince Charles, the patron of the Cambrian Mountains Initiative, moved to Llyn-y-Wilmod down into Llandovery, there was an extra spur and impetus for partners to come together and look at an integrated sustainable development programme for the rural area that is the Cambrian Mountains. There are four main work streams to the Cambrian Mountains Initiative. First one is food, agricultural products and productions. How do you actually create greater value from agricultural produce in the area through branding and marketing, etc. The second is the ecosystems work. How do you actually protect the natural environment and sort of advance the ecosystems goods and services agenda? Third is the tourism strand of the initiative, and that's looking at how we actually create more of a sense of place and a marketable presence for the area. It's obviously suffers from being squeezed or placed position between the national parks in the North Snowdonia and the national parks in the South Brecon Beacons. So building up the brand and identity of the Cambrian Mountains is a place to visit. And then there's the community strand of the Cambrian Mountains Initiative, which is working with local communities to actually get them to value the landscape they see around them and to actually develop income streams from that to actually do things and protect their own services. And we're looking at getting the communities to actually come up with action plans, lists of actions that they can actually take themselves, which will enhance countryside access, improve interpretation of historic sites, natural sites, etc. So quite a wide-ranging programme of activity.
Dyma fi yn Mynyddoedd y Cambria I sôn am menter Mynyddoedd y Cambria. Dwy haen o'r gwaith yn y fenter swn i'n hoffi sôn am fwy na dim yw y marchnata, bob math o fwyd a elfennau a cynnyrch o'r mynyddoedd, a hefyd yr haen gwasanaethau ecosystemau, be mae hynny'n golygu i'r bobl yr ardal. Yn gyntaf, mae'r ecosystem yn gwmpas ni yn rhoi pob math o gynnyrch i ni, cynnwys bwyd, dŵr, aer, hamddenna, a mae Menter Mynyddoedd y Cambria yn gallu dangos sut mae hyn I gyd yn plethu at ei gilydd. Mae'r system marchnata a brandio o bwyd yn bwysig iawn bod ni'n cael gwell elw ar ddiwedd y dydd o'r bobl sydd yn gweithio yma yn y mynyddoedd. Un enghraifft o hyn yw cynhyrchu cig oen. Mae'r fenter hefo grŵp yn gweithio efo'i gilydd yn gwerthu cig oen sydd yn cael ei gynhyrchu yn gynaladwy. A dyna'r un beth mae y system newydd o weithio hefo'r cynulliad yn sôn am sut da ni'n mynd I weithio yn y dyfodol yn gynaladwy. Mae papur ar hyn o bryd a mae Cyngor Cynglad yn gweithio ar hyn yn agos gyda'r cynulliad o ran National Environment Framework, y fframwaith amgylcheddol cenedlaethol yng Nghymru. Fynd yn ôl at y cig oen, mae syniad, ydy bobl yn fodlon talu'n ychwanegol am gig oen sydd wedi cael ei gynhyrchu'n gynaladwy ar y mynyddoedd fel hyn. Un prosiect da ni'n sbïad ar ydy cynhyrchu, asesu paint o garbon mae bob ffarm yn gynhyrchu, lefel y carbon sy'n mynd allan o'r ffarm na drwy gloi carbon. Wrth gwrs mae hynny'n golygu un ffordd o wneud hynny ydy plannu coed. A mae cynllun eto gan y cynulliad plannu coed trwy glasur yn gallu rhoi grant a arian at ffermwyr I blannu coed.
So to sum up, the Cambrian Mountains Initiative is very much about looking at a potential future for a large upland area on a sort of an ecosystems basis. It's about how we can make the landscape much more valued and of value to the people who work and live in this area. And in doing that, hopefully we'll create an example. We'll use the area as a test bed for how environmental and economic development and sustainable development can be done across Wales and across the country in the future.